Hi guys, welcome to week 14, and I apologize for this video being late. There's just a lot going on right now, but week 14 is all about digital assessment. My big tip of the week though is that you need to get that HyperDoc lesson done. If you've not started on it, you have got to start on that early in the week. You cannot wait until later to do it, or you're going to be spending a lot of time doing that later on. And this week, though, you're going to be exploring digital assessment. You'll be looking at lots of tools. I have tools that are right here, and you'll do just normal small group discussion board. And then you will do a participation task for a assessment sort that I created using Google Drawing. So I'm really doing this just so you have another opportunity to interact with something that is a very simple assessment that you could use something like this in your HyperDocs lesson if you choose to. But I want you to be looking at all these tools with the goal in mind of figuring out what would work best for your HyperDocs lesson. I give an overview right here video of this presentation, but if you just want to look through the presentation and see the tools, see the suggestions, you can do that, and you don't have to watch this video. But there's a lot of really neat stuff that is useful in other classes as well when I talk about the teaching, planning, assessment cycle. So you can look at that, and then you're going to create an example. Now, there is an assessment example for participation task, but then you also have your HyperDocs lesson due. So if you want to create for your assessment example, the assessment portion of your HyperDocs lesson and turn it in as your example, that's totally fine with me. So you can look at lots of different tools, determine the best one for you, create an example, turn it in, and then actually still put it on your HyperDocs lesson. So my huge tip of the week is look at all of the information and the tools this week with your HyperDocs lesson in mind, and that'll be helpful to you. Remember, it's due midnight Sunday, and I look forward to see what you do.